Hello guys, I'm Tim Clank from Master Tech Custom Coach RV and Marine out of Elkhart, Indiana. Today we've got a 2014 Renegade and we've done some one-off upgrades to this coach. We added a aqua hot heating system to this. Where the former water heater was, we actually designed a custom pull-out shower system that extends out 50 feet from the coach. So she can wash her little dog, he can use it to work on cooking or whatever he wishes to do, or clean up a cooler, etc. But it actually pulls out on a reel that goes out from the coach, complete with the faucet, etc. On a Renegade, one thing they never did is it never installed slide-out step well covers on the inside. This one has one because we installed it. We also installed complete custom porcelain floors. We installed ultra leather walls on the whole thing. And one thing that he really wanted was the upper deck rails. He wanted the big boy look because he is the big boy feel. So looking on this, that's not on any other Renegade coach, is custom deck rails going front to back both sides. It simulates extensions, it blocks the air conditioners, etc. So if you need any integrations, big or small, come see Master Tech, America's #1 renovation, service, and collision center here in Elkhart, Indiana.